welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we create a dock in the Clickup app. Let's get started. Once you open the Clickup, you will get this page. In the navigation bar you can see docs option. Click on this and just click on the add new option, and you have to create a title for it. You can also add icon if you want, and you can add a comment. Just comment here, click on the comment. You can also add a link to task or doc. Just click on this and you can see page links. Just click on this and you can just add task here and doc. Also you can add a cover. Click on this. You have any options here. Just click on any option that you want to choose and you can see it has been changed. Click on the setting option. If you want to do more settings, then you can add a font size, page width, and so on. There are so many settings that you can do. As I am clicking on the font size, you can see I have chosen small. Now it is small. This is how you can create a doc here, and just go back to see it. Check out this one. This is the document that we have just created. So this is how we can create a new doc here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.